Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine? Okay. Today which subject we will learn? We will learn EVS. Which subject we will learn? EVS. Okay. Which subject we will learn? EVS. Okay, and you know that you are in LKG class. You are know that you are in LKG class. Okay. Okay, we have learned different type of faces. What we have learned? We have learned different types of faces. Okay, do you remember which faces we have learned? Do you remember which faces we have learned? Tell me which face is this? This is sad. Which face is this? Sad. Okay. Okay. Then crying. What is this? Crying. Okay, then happy. This face is happy. Okay. Then scared. Scared. Which face is this? Scared. Okay. And which face is this? Angry. Angry. Which face is this? This is angry. Okay. We have learned 5 types of faces. How many faces we have learned? We have learned 5 types of faces. Okay. Now, today we will do exercise related different type of faces. What we will do? We will do exercise related different type of faces. Okay, tell me. Okay, tell me which face is this? Tell me which face is this? This is sad. Okay. Now, which face is this? Tell me which face is this? This is angry. Which face is this? This is angry. Okay. Now, tell me which face is this? This is sad. Which face is this? Sad. Okay. Now, tell me which face is this? This is scared. Okay. Now, which face is this? This is crying. Which face is this? Crying. So, what you have to do? You have to match the same face. What you have to do? Match the same face. Okay, what you have to do? Match the same face. Okay. Now we are drawing the face. So what you have to do? You have to match it. What you have to do? You have to match the faces. Okay. What we have to do? We have to match the faces. Okay, we have to match the faces. Yes, very good, my dears. You are so good. You are so good. You are so good. Okay, what I am doing? I am drawing the different type of faces which we have learned. Okay, which we have learned. So what you have to do? You have to match the different type of faces. What you have to do? You have to match the different type of faces. Now there are different type of faces. So you have to match the same face. Okay, tell me which face is this? Okay, tell me which face is this? This is sad. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Sad. Okay, fine. Very sad face. Both faces are same. Both face are same. This sad. This is also sad. Both are same. Yes. So what we will do? We will draw line here. Sad. He also sad. Both are sad face. Both are same face. So what we will do? We will draw the line. Okay. Now, which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. So what we will do? Okay, what we will do? This is angry face? No. This is angry face? No. This is angry face. Same face is this? No. This face are same? Both are same face? Yes, both are same face. So what we will do? We will draw the line. Okay. What we will do? We will draw the line. This is also angry face and this is also angry face. Both faces are same. So what we will do? We will draw the line from to match the same faces. Okay. Which face is this? Yes, which face is this? This is sad. Again sad face. Okay, let us see. This is happy face. Which face is this? Happy face. So this is happy face. No, this is not a happy face. Both faces are same. No, both faces are not same. Okay, this is happy face. Both faces are same. Both have smile on their face. Yes, so what we will do? We will match happy face with happy face. Okay. Now, next, which face is this? Scared. Which face is this? Scared. Okay. This is scared face? No. This is a sad face. This is scared face. Same faces are there? No. This is crying face. Okay. This is scared face? No. This is happy face. Both faces are not same. They are different. Okay. This face is scared face? No. This is angry face. Both faces are not same. Okay. This is scared face? Yes. Both are same. Yes. So what we will do? We will draw the line to match the face. Okay. Which face is this? This is crying. Which face is this? This is crying face. Oh, tears coming from their eyes. Look here. Tears coming from your eyes. Yes. So we will find the face. This is crying face. Tears is coming from his face. No. Okay, this is crying face. Tears coming from eyes. Yes. So what we will do? We will match the crying face. We will draw line from crying face to crying face. We will match this. Okay. So we have matched this same face. Okay. What we have learned today? We have learned to match the same face. What we have learned? We have learned to match the same face. Okay, student. Okay, take the screenshot of this and write in your notebook. Okay, take screenshot of this and write in your notebook. Okay. Next exercise. What we have done now? We have matched the same face. What? Match the same face. Okay. Now what to do? How are you feeling today? Okay. How are you feeling today? Okay. Today how are you feeling? We will draw some face and you have to circle the face. That how you are feeling today. What you have to do? Circle the face. How are you feeling today? Circle the face. What you have to do? Circle the face. Okay, today how you are feeling? Look here. This face is, I have drawn this face. Okay, this is, which face is this? Sad. Okay, and this is happy. Okay, yes, all of us straight and look at the board. You have to tell me that how you are feeling today. Okay, you have to tell me that today how are you feeling. So sit straight and fold your hands. Sit straight and fold your hands. Yes, very good. Sit straight and fold your hands and look at the board. Okay, I will ask you the question. You have to give the answer. Now you have to tell me today how you are feeling. You are feeling sad. Today you are feeling sad. Today you are feeling happy. Today you are feeling happy. Today you are feeling crying. Today you are feeling scared. Today you are feeling angry. Today what you are feeling? Sad, happy, crying, angry or scared. Okay, today how you are feeling? If you are feeling sad, then circle on the sad. If you are feeling happy, then circle on the happy face. If you are feeling crying, so circle on the crying face. If you are feeling scared, so circle on the scared face. If you are feeling angry, so circle on the angry face. Okay, this work you have to do in your notebook. This work you have to do in your notebook. Okay, now take this screenshot. Yes, with the help of your parents, you have to do this work in your notebook. Okay, you tell your parents to make picture of this face and how you feeling on that today. You have to circle that face. Okay, we have learned 5 different faces. We have learned 5 different faces: happy, sad, angry, scared, crying. So today how you are feeling? You have to circle that face. You have to circle that face. Very good. Okay, taken screenshots. Okay. How you are feeling today? Happy, sad or what? Tell me. This work you have to do in your notebook. Okay. Understand? Yes. Okay. Now you have to, how you will make face? You have to make a circle. What you have to make a circle? Okay. Then you have to make curve. You have to make 2 curve. What you have to make? 2 curve. Then a big dot. Then a big dot. How you will make face? Then a big dot. And after that, if you are happy, you have to make curve like this. Half circle. Okay, if you are happy, you have to make half circle. Okay. Now I am giving you complete the missing part of the face. Complete the missing part of the face. What you have to do? You have to complete the missing part. Okay. Look here. I have drawn one circle. Okay, I have drawn one circle. So what you have to do? You have to complete the missing part. Okay, some parts are missing on this face. So what you have to do? You have to complete it. What you have to do? You have to complete it. Okay, some parts are missing. Some parts are missing on the face. So what you have to do? You have to complete this. Look here, I have given this type of face. So how you will complete? How you will complete? How you will complete the face? Like this. Okay. What is missing? Here eyes is missing. Here eyebrow is missing. And half mouth is given. You have to complete the mouth. What you have to do? You have to complete the mouth. Look here. Here eyebrow is given but eyes is not given. Here eyes is given but eyebrow is not given. So what you have to do? You have to draw the eyes. You have to draw the eyebrow and half part. And half mouth is drawn. So you have to complete and draw the full mouth. Okay. You have to draw and complete the full mouth. Half mouth is drawn. You have to draw full mouth and complete this picture and color it. Okay. And color it. Complete the missing part of the face. So you have to, which face is this? And tell me, after completing the picture of this face, you have to tell me which face is this. Okay, you have to tell me which face is this. Understand? What you have to do? You have to complete this picture. Some parts are missing in this face, so you have to complete it. Eyebrow is given but eyes is not drawn, so you have to draw the eyes. Eyes is drawn but eyebrow is not drawn, so you have to draw the eyebrow. Half mouth is drawn, half mouth is not drawn, so you have to draw the half mouth and you have to tell me which picture is this. You have to tell me which picture is this. Okay. What we have learned? We have done exercise of different types of faces. We have done different types of faces and today we have done exercise of different types of faces. Okay. First we have matched the same faces. What we have done? We have matched the same faces. Then we have drawn different type of faces and you have to tell me that how you are feeling today. Okay, how you are feeling today, so you have to circle on that face. Then next we have drawn face and then next we have drawn face. Some parts are missing. Some parts are missing. So you have to complete the part of the face. Eyebrow is given but eye is not given. Eyes is given but eyebrow is not given. Half mouth is drawn, half mouth is not drawn. So you have to complete the face. What you have to do? You have to complete the face and color it. Okay, we have learned angry, scared, happy, crying, sad. Okay, so do this work in your EVS notebook and please do regularly, so you will not get the burden. Okay, you have to complete your work regularly, neat and clean with the help of your parents. If you do your work regularly, you will not get any burden. Okay, so bye, have a nice day and complete your work.